In this edition of the 2019 year-end subscription box mini marathon, we're going to take a look at 3 months worth of the Tac Pack subscription box. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So like I said, we're kind of doing a 2019 year-end mini marathon of subscription box videos because I got kind of behind on my videos and I've been really busy the last quarter of the year with my plumbing business. So I kind of got behind on some of these subscription box videos. So I'm trying to play catch up and maybe kind of give you at least a year-end look at what to expect if you want to go forward with some of these boxes in 2020. This time we're going to be taking a look at both the October, November, and December editions of the Tac Pack subscription box, which is geared towards AR-15 owners and you know, tactical style gear. And real quickly, the Tac Pack boxes are $49.95 a month, and every month you get like somewhere around $100 worth of value for that. And if you use the coupon code PURPOSE, you'll also get like a free mystery box with your subscription. So anyway, we're going to check this thing out and 3 months worth of this thing out right after this quick word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by my friends at Sportsman's Guide, where I've been a Buyers Club member for several years now. So what I thought I'd do is just tell you 4 benefits to being a Buyers Club member at Sportsman's Guide. First of all, Buyers Club members get a 5% discount on guns and ammo. 5% is a pretty big deal when you're talking about a gun. And 10% discount on most other products. Second of all, Buyers Club members get access to special members-only discounts called Bullseye Deals, which are even greater savings. Third, Buyers Club members get access to 4-pay installment plan, which allows you to pay for purchases over $150 in 4 equal installments at 0 interest. Finally, and this is very recent and it is a huge deal, Buyers Club members get free shipping on orders over $49, including ammo. And by the way, they have one of the best selections of military surplus gear anywhere I've found. So anyway, hopefully that's been helpful, kind of explain some things about Sportsman's Guide. So I really appreciate Sportsman's Guide being a channel sponsor, and I really encourage you to go check them out. I think you'll be glad you did. Okay, we're going to start with October's box, and I've already got it out here for sake of time because once again we're running out of daylight. So first of all, the October Tac Pack box has this really cool rifle things patch in there. It's a Velcro patch, but you know, so kind of a takeoff on the popular Stranger Things, which is pretty cool. So there's that. And then they also have these nice Armor Spec anti-walk pins, which are stainless steel pins to go in for your hammer and trigger pins for a standard AR-15, and they're designed so they won't walk out on you, so which is pretty cool there. And then in addition to that, there is a QD end plate from the folks at Tac Fire Inc. And it's got the nice QD end plate here with a quick disconnect on it, and a little QD mount bracket there also. So pretty cool there. So you can put one on the back and one on the front, and you can mount this to looks like it's an M-lock version, so that's cool. And then finally, what's really cool, the big deal in the October box was the convertible 2.1 QD sling. And so you got your end plate and your M-lock QD mount, and then you've got the why do I have trouble with these boxes? Okay, there we go. Nice 2-point sling, very nice hardware here, and with the QD connectors on both ends. And you know, a good sling is going to be at least, you know, probably $40-50, and this is obviously a good one. That was the October Tac Pack. Let's take a look at what was in the November Tac Pack. The first item in there was this Tac Belt EDC belt. They're giving this a $30 value, and it's just a straight up Velcro fastened belt. No buckle, so you won't have any buckle to bother you or to set off a metal detector. So this thing's just going to slide through here like so, and then it's going to go to wherever you need it and Velcro. So very low profile and no buckle to bother you, so I like that too. And it's pretty stiff for a gun belt. So there's that. And the next item in the November box was this Tac Pack pistol loader, and probably have to look at how that works, but this is for P9 or 40 Gen 2 magazines. So, and they're giving this a $30 value. May try this out on a future video. So there was that. The next item was a X-Tactica multi-tool, and it's just kind of a multi-tool here. It's got a couple of bits that go with it, a little wrench here, and a little kind of a opener thing here for opening letters and whatnot. And I gotta be honest with you, they're giving us a $40 value. I think that's stretching it some. That may be what this thing cost, but I don't think I'd pay 40 bucks for it. But that's in there also. And then finally, they have this little sticker here. Yeah, they're not putting a value on this. They're calling it priceless, but you know, I guess they always put stickers in it or patches in every one. And the other thing I didn't tell you in October's, there's also an extended mag release, which is also pretty cool. So I think October was a pretty good winter. November, you know, I like the belt, although I wear a click belt. In the mag loader, it might be pretty cool. This to me is pretty much, you know, not worth it. So anyway, that was October and November. I'm gonna clear those off because I think December has the potential to be something special. It's pretty stinking cool, actually. So we're gonna clear this out of the way, make room for December, because December is pretty big. So first of all is a knife, and you know I like me some knives. This is a CRKT M16 blade, and look at that, bam, nice Tonto blade knife with a tip down carry. Shame on them for that. It's also got a lock here, which is pretty cool. So I'm not sure how that works. Let's see. I mean, it's a liner lock. Okay, the lock just keeps you from being able to, I guess you got to pull the lock. Okay, so you got to pull the lock before you can activate the liner over. So it's a little safety feature there, but pretty cool there. CRKT knife. And that is coming from CRKT with a $50 value. Probably that's the list price, but still you're paying 50 bucks for the box. So that right there has basically got that covered. So next is a pretty cool, it's a t-shirt. So we got a t-shirt. This is a large, which happens to be the size I wear, which is good. And it's a Sons of Liberty Liberty Gunworks t-shirt, which I think is pretty stinking cool. Let me show you the design on that. I like that, so I'm not going to put it on the stump to get it all filthy, but that's pretty cool because my stump top is dirty right now. Next is an ABKT rifle cleaning mat, which is also pretty cool. It's got the kind of got your breakdowns here of the different components of an AR-15, or actually an MA3 carbine. It tells you how to take it all apart, and it's big enough to put your rifle on. So that's cool, and I'm going to put it on the stump top because I don't care if it gets a little dirty. And then we also got one more thing on here this month, which is also pretty cool. It is a hex mag, 5.56 magazine. Hex mags have a very good reputation. They got that hex, you know, it's hexes in there. And this is a Series 2 30-round magazine, standard capacity. And finally, a Christmas patch. Now I have a machine gun, ho ho ho. I like that too. So there's that. So just go over the value for this month. So I think they really outdid themselves for Christmas. So we got a blade that's $49.99. We got the t-shirt for 25 bucks. We got the that's $74.99. We got the mat for 20 bucks, which is $94.99. We got the hex mags for 15, which is $109.99. So for about 50 bucks, you got about 110 bucks worth of value. And then they give me some hints that January is going to have some AR parts from Hogue and others, and plus tactical office gear. And then in February, they have a $220 MSRP box. So that's going to be pretty cool. So anyway, that is the last 3 months of the Tac Pack. I'll try to do better and stay caught up in January. Okay, my battery's about dead. So I'm going to wrap this up. That kind of brings the little mini marathon for these subscription boxes to an end for 2019. Be sure and go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Join my weekly newsletter. You'll hear more about that in a couple weeks, but it's going to be worth your time. And I really appreciate all the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.